Problem 1 just wants us to solve for x. So the first thing we see here is we need to distribute the negative sign through. So I'm going to distribute the negative sign through the parentheses. That'll be me 8x, take away 4x, minus a negative changes to plus 120. Over here on the right, I need to distribute the negative sign through to each of those pieces, which gives us 10x minus 8x, and then minus an 80. Now, before I start moving pieces across the equal sign, get all your x's together, get all your numbers together. 8x minus 4x, I'm just going to put those together, combine like terms. 120 doesn't have anybody to go with. 10x minus 8x, those go together. 2x minus 80. So I've combined everybody that can go together. So all like terms have been combined. So now let's move our variables over. I'm going to move the smaller variable, 2x. I'll subtract it from both sides. It'll get rid of it on the right-hand side and move it over here to the left. And 4x minus 2x is 2x plus the 120 equals negative 80. Don't forget you need that negative in front. I now subtract 120 from both sides. I have 2x equals negative 200. I then divide by 2. X is negative 100 is the value for problem 1. Problem 2, simplify, negative exponent. First thing I need to do is clean up anything on the inside. Well, everything's cleaned up. There aren't any negative exponents, so I don't need to move anybody. So how do I deal with this on the outside? I'm going to change it to a negative 1 times 3. Remember, negative 1 means the inverse of the reciprocal, okay? So this is really over 1. So when I apply the reciprocal, that's just going to move everybody in the bottom to the top and everybody in the top to the bottom. And now I've done that, it's gone away. So it's just all that to the third power, which means you have a 1 over a 3ab squared times another one, 3ab squared times another one. See what we have. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 on top. 3 times 3 is 9 times another 3 is 27. A times A times A is a to the third. B squared, which is BB, times another BB, times another BB here. How many B's you got? B to the 6th. So it's 1 over 27A to the third, B to the 6th.